Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to make a private event on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to take is to create an event and change its visibility. Basically, all we need to do is to go to this create button and we click on it, and here we will find event. We click on the event and then add the informations of the event. So let's give it event title, for example, title. And then you will find these guests. You can add guests, you can add meetings, and add description and other things. But the most important thing to make the event private is to change its visibility. And basically all you need to do is go here, down, up on the top of the description, and you click on the default visibility and you are going to make it private. And then all it remains to do is to click on save, and now you have a private event. And if you go to the settings, you will find that these events details can't be seen by other people unless they have the permission to. And by this method, you have just created a private event on Google Calendar. So thank you for watching and see you next time.